So, mo kí yín o, ẹ ṣé tẹ́tí sí mi. Èmi náà ni o, èmi tí ní tòótọ́, àìtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ. Èmi àìtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin akéde mi tèwe tàgbà káàbọ̀ sí abala Mofeko Ede Mi torí kíkọ́ ni mímọ̀. Àkòrí ọ̀rọ̀ wa lénìí ni Kojoda àtàwọn oṣù. Hello everyone, Aitale Abiyamo welcomes all Akedes to Mofeko Ede Mi. For today, in continuation with our time frame lesson, we'll be learning all about the calendar and months. Yes. Yes, we do have a name for the calendar and the months as well. So enjoy. Calendar. Kojoda. Calendar. Calendar in Yoruba is called Kojoda. The months. Oshu. Months. Now we're going to go into each of the months individually. In Yoruba language we do have 12 months as well. We do have 12 months as well. So we're going to name all of them one after another. January. Oh, sorry about that, guys. So, yes, as I was saying, we have our months, and we're going to proceed now to name the months, each appropriately. So, here we go. January, Shere. January. February, Erele. February. March, Ereno. March. April, Igbe. April. May, ABB. May. June, Okudu. June. July, Agemo. July. August, Ogun. August. September, Owewe. September. October, Owara. October. November, Belu. November. December, Ope. December. I know it's 12 long mouthful words, but we made it. So yeah, well done. So I'm gonna say it all now in Yoruba. So listen attentively, and if you can, which I encourage you to anyways, say it after me, please. Say it after me. So Ṣẹẹrẹ, Èrèlé, Ẹrẹ́nà, Igbe, Èbìbí. I know, guys. Okay, sorry about that. So I'm going to take it again and slowly too, so that you can get it. I don't want you getting lost along the way. So we're going to start again slowly this time around. Ṣẹẹrẹ, January. Èrèlé, February. Ẹrẹ́nà, March. Igbe, April. Èbìbí, May. Òkúdù, June. Agẹmọ, July. Ògún, August. Are you okay, guys? Shall we proceed? So, Ọ̀wẹ́wẹ̀, September. Ọ̀wàrà, October. Bélú, November. Ọ̀pẹ, December. So you can say it's a kind of poem. This is when you've gotten the rudiment, when you've gotten the grips of it. So yeah, so you can try. It's like a tongue tie thing. Yes, but if you can do this, you're gonna get it. You get it. It's like a poem, but that is you reciting it faster. You can recite it slower. You can recite it faster. If you recite it faster, you get the kick out of it. That is where the fun is. So here goes nothing. I'm gonna try it myself. So if I get it, and if I don't, So Ṣẹẹrẹ, Èrèlé, Ẹrẹ́nà, Igbe, Èbìbí, Òkúdù, Agẹmọ, Ògún, Ọ̀wẹ́wẹ̀, Ọ̀wàrà, Bélú, Ọ̀pẹ. So how do you find that, guys? That is me saying it slowly, so that you can get it. So we'll go again. Ṣẹẹrẹ, Èrèlé, Ẹrẹ́nà, Igbe, Èbìbí, Òkúdù, Agẹmọ, Ògún, Ọ̀wẹ́wẹ̀, Ọ̀wàrà, Bélú, Ọ̀pẹ. Sounds melodious, ain't it? So now let's try the tongue twister one. I can't wait. Here goes nothing. Ṣẹẹrẹ, Èrèlé, Ẹrẹ́nà, Igbe, Èbìbí, Òkúdù, Agẹmọ, Ògún, Ọ̀wẹ́wẹ̀, Ọ̀wàrà, Bélú, Ọ̀pẹ. Oh my God, you need to see me before. I wasn't getting. I was like, oh my God, how am I gonna see this? I'm learning as well, guys. I'm learning as well. Oh my goodness. My kids are laughing. Yeah, just slagging me seriously now. But it's part of the fun. So shall we go over it again? I'm really having a blast with this. Okay, so your months in Yoruba. So this is like a kind of poem, tongue twister. So ready, steady, go. Ṣẹẹrẹ, Èrèlé, Ẹrẹ́nà, Igbe, Èbìbí, Òkúdù, Agẹmọ, Ògún, Ọ̀wẹ́wẹ̀, Ọ̀wàrà, Bélú, Ọ̀pẹ. Ṣẹẹrẹ, Èrèlé, Ẹrẹ́nà, Igbe, Èbìbí, Òkúdù, Agẹmọ, Ògún, Ọ̀wẹ́wẹ̀, Ọ̀wàrà, Bélú, Ọ̀pẹ. Ọ̀wàrà, Bélú, Ọ̀pẹ. Ọ̀wàrà, Bélú, Ọ̀pẹ. Yay! So yeah, that's it. This is yet another lesson in our time frame. Not to worry. You will know where when it all adds up. You need this. Is one of the basics that you need to know. I mean, this is your months calendar done, just like that. So, keep saying it. Ẹ máa bá mi sọ o. Ẹ máa bá mi jẹ́ lẹ́nu. Ẹ máa bá mi yírí ẹ̀ wò. It doesn't matter if you don't get it at first. It's here for you. Learn at your own pace and at your own time, you know. So keep applying it, keep repeating it. So say it in your mother tongue. Say it in Yoruba, because Yoruba is rich and beautiful. And until I come your way again, Akede.